Hi, welcome back to Geterbrewed. So today we're going to look at home wine making and why you should be making your own wine at home. So one of the main reasons you should look at is the money saving potential. Another reason is that you have full control of the contents. And finally, it's super simple and very rewarding. Okay guys, I'm going to take you through the range of wine kits that we have here at Geterbrewed. So we have a wide selection to suit all budgets and all tastes. So if we start at the real basic beginner kits, we have the Magnum wine kits. They require a 3.5 kg sugar addition. Then we have 5-day wine kits from Cantina. Nice selection of varietals, very easy to make. Then we look very quickly at the 7-day kits, Australian blend kits, the Solomon Grundy, all capable of being made and turned around in as little as 7 days. We have 30-day wine kits then that come in the format of the House of Beaverdale and On the House. Then we have the more premium range of wine kits right up into ultra premium. So wine expert kits, we have the classic, the reserve and the private reserve. Anything from 4 weeks to 8 weeks turnaround on these kits. So if you're totally new to winemaking and you just want to dip your toe in it, perhaps you take one of the bigger kits and try a trial pack which produces 6 bottles of wine in a demi-john at home. Okay, so the first reason that we feel you should be brewing your own wine at home is money saving. In its simplest terms, you can make better than shop bought for a fraction of the price. So to give you an idea, so say the 5 days and the 7-day kits are all in and around the £30 mark. That creates 30 bottles of wine. That's around £1 a bottle. £1 a bottle wine made at home will be the equivalent of something in the supermarket that you would usually buy on offer at £5, £6 or £7 per bottle. The reason that you're able to make it at home at that price is because you're buying the grape concentrate and you're fermenting it yourself, but also you're not paying the duty, which could be a couple of pounds per bottle, and you're not paying the VAT on that. So that's why it is possible to make better than shop bought at a fraction of the price. So taking you from the extreme of £1 per bottle, then you could move up in quality to something like the Private Reserve, which is our ultra premium quality wine kit. So the quality of the grape juice in that there is absolutely super premium. It's going to cost you something in the region of £125 for one of those wine kits, and that's the equivalent of just over £4 per bottle. Now that type of wine is competing with wine that's £20+ per bottle in the supermarkets or in your local off license. So really like in-depth knowledge has went into the engineering and designing of these wine kits. The wine expert kits all originate from Canada, and they've been doing that for decades there, and the innovation and technology has allowed them to produce some really special results that you can recreate at home. Okay, so the second reason why you should be making your own wine at home is because you have full control of the contents. So if you're aware of the wine that you're buying contains a lot of sulfites and extra additives, and a lot of that can be linked to giving you a sore head the next day if you've been drinking wine. So homebrew wine may come with a various range of additives. Maybe it has some bentonite in it, maybe it has some chitosan, finings and clearing agents. You take control of that at home and you can decide what you put in and what you don't put in. And the less that you do put in, the less sulfites added obviously means a more natural wine that means that you can enjoy it without the sore head in its simplest terms. So the third reason why you should be making your own wine at home is that it's really simple to make wine at home and it's a very rewarding hobby. Now, we have made wine at home that we like to share with family and friends. It's nice to give that wine out as a gift. Equally, we've made wine for some of our friends' wedding days, so we know that the quality is ultra premium and that we're able to show off our hobby and allow people to share in that experience. So making wine at home is really simple. It's not like what it was in years gone by or decades ago. There's been a lot of advancement in technology, in the processing, and basically you're taking high quality super premium grape concentrate, rehydrating it, adding yeast and allowing it to ferment out. So the key things with winemaking, as with all brewing, to remember are sterilization are critical to make sure everything's clean and sanitized, and temperature control is also very important. Now whenever I say that it's simple, like there's instructions inside this that take you step by step how to do that, and you can take notes as you go and keep a record of that. And also you can refer to the videos that we have here on YouTube, giving you tips and tricks on how to get the best out of your winemaking kit. So that's 3 reasons why we feel you should be making wine at home. If you've had a successful encounter with home winemaking, let us know. If you've had difficulty making your own winemaking, get in touch and we'll help you have a successful time. And you can check out our winemaking section on geterbrewed.com and geterbrewed.ie. Until next time, happy brewing.